Hello, my wonderful friends from Canada. In this video, I'm going to share with you the best free budgeting apps that you can use right now in Canada and what are the pros and cons of each. So the first one is Neontra, but this is primarily that you can see right here the pricing that you're gonna have like free trial, like the free plan, where you're gonna have one SIM connection to US or Canadian financial institutions. So this is something that you can actually like use for yourself and check it out, that maybe you will like it. So this is kind of like the first one. Now it's kind of like limiting the free plan. Now another one is that I don't know if you're using actually Claude, okay, or if you're using ChatGPT or like AI. But what I encourage you to do is that yes, you can use the app, but you can ask Claude Code, or you can you can even ask, for example, a Cursor to make the app for you that you can use, for example, in kind of like the like more better like Excel sheet. And for example, I made like full productivity app just for myself, for my own needs, and also regards the project management. So I highly encourage you to check it out for yourself, that maybe you're gonna like it. Now another one that is also great is called Actually Budget. So the Actual Budget, and what are the things to be aware of, is that yes, it's completely for free. It's open source, privacy focused alternative. But a very important thing is that the UI is not the greatest, but these are the things that, like, okay, I'm going to give you right now like the great thing. If you don't need a lot of connection to accounts, maybe you can do it by yourself too, if you can get access to like API or something. But what you can do is like take the features, screenshot it, and paste it to AI that you would like to do something like that, and you will see it can be like very good. Now another one that is like great one is EveryDollar. So this is kind of like the Ramsey. So this is something that you can also check out for yourself. Frequently suggested for simplicity. The free version requires manual entry of every transaction, and this one is also a great app. And then also Budget Butterfly. So Budget Butterfly, also interesting one, that you can actually like check it out for yourself. With the Budget Butterfly, a newer completely free Canadian option developed by Credit Canada to help users manage debt and build budgets without subscription fees. And then of course, like using the Google Sheets or Excel or Aspire Budgeting, this is also another one. And Aspire Budgeting is a great free community driven spreadsheet based tool that mimics like in-app envelope system, and it's like completely for free that you can actually like use it. There is also like a Reddit subreddit there, and this is something that you can actually like check it out for yourself. So hope this video provided a little bit of value, and thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.